How to add text to clock style on a Samsung S23 Ultra, Samsung S24 Ultra. To add text to your lock screen clock style, you need to download Find Lock app. Open the Play Store and search for the Find Lock app. Search the Find Lock app. Now here you need to download and install this Find Lock app. When download, tap on Open button. Now open, you need to install some of the application. To change the text or add a text, tap on a clock face. Now here at the bottom you can see face, my clock and studio option. Now tap on a plus icon at the top right to add a text to clock style. Now here you can change different style, different type, shape, color. To add text, tap on a plus icon. Now tap on a text. Now enter the text you want to show. Here we enter this. Now you can zoom it. Now you can set as bold, italic, underline. You want to set, also change the font style. You want to set text on your device. Here we set this. Now set the color. Here we set this color. Now tap on a plus icon again. Here you can add image also. Select any image like this. Tap on a plus again. Here you can add GIF, date, also analog. To set the analog clock like this, you can see the analog clock. To remove, just tap on a trace icon. To remove image, tap trace icon. When set, tap on a top right corner arrow. Now download, tap on it, tap on a right icon. Now you can see set text on your lock screen clock style, tap on a done. Now changes apply to lock screen. Lock your phone and you can see add text to your lock screen clock. That's it. If you like it, share it.